Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the service light on your Land Rover Discovery Sport. First, turn your ignition on, but do not start the engine. Make sure all doors are closed and your seat belt is fastened. This ensures the system is ready for the reset sequence. You'll need to access the accelerator and brake pedals for the next steps, so get comfortable. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, with the ignition on and engine off, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. While holding the accelerator down, also press the brake pedal fully down. You need to hold both pedals firmly in this position for about 60 seconds. This specific combination and duration signals the vehicle's computer to initiate the service light reset. Keep an eye on your dashboard for any changes. After holding the pedals for the required time, you can now release both the accelerator and brake pedals. Next, turn your ignition completely off. Wait a few seconds, then restart your engine. The service light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. If the light remains on, you may need to repeat the process carefully, ensuring all steps are followed precisely. This usually resolves the issue. If the service light remains illuminated after attempting the reset, it might indicate a deeper issue requiring professional attention, or you may need to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific model variations. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing these service reminders from appearing too frequently. Also, for those looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.